A woman has bunion surgery and dies 9 months later. Would you like to learn why? Come join me as I share with you this really remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The woman was told she had a bunion and the only way to fix it was with a procedure called a bunionectomy, where the doctor would go ahead, cut the bone, put it back together, and she'd be fine. She agrees to have the procedure. The procedure goes beautifully, no problem whatsoever, except for one thing. The incision kept opening. The incision that she had to do the procedure kept opening and opening, and she had a wound that kept bleeding and was weeping, and she kept going back to the doctor every single month. The doctor kept looking at it and giving her topical antibiotic cream and gave her an oral antibiotic. That didn't solve the problem. The wound kept getting bigger and bigger. The problem was that this doctor never truly understood, never diagnosed what was really going on with this particular wound. It wasn't until almost 9 months later that this woman got so sick that she was admitted to the hospital, and only then, only days before she died, did the doctors at the hospital recognize what had happened. What was the problem? She had a massive infection down into her bone that spread throughout her entire body, and that's a condition known as sepsis. And because this condition was never diagnosed and treated, this woman died as a direct result of this infection never having been diagnosed and treated. So why do I share this with you? I share it with you because one day I received a call from a gentleman in North Carolina who called me and said, "Mr. Oginski, I just saw a video you did about sepsis." Well, I just learned from the medical examiner that my mom died of sepsis, of a massive infection throughout her body, and all because of a surgery and the wound infection that occurred. I did an investigation and it turned out he was 100% correct. Now, chances are you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular surgery. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski coming to you from New York. Have a wonderful day.